Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make curved line in Adobe InDesign. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your InDesign software. Now, you can open your existing document, otherwise create a new document. Now I am open my existing document. Now I am go to my blank page. Now you want to make the curved line, you can make this two way. At first select the line tool, then press the line tool, shift on our keyboard, then select the line tool on move tool. Go to the window menu, select the stroke option and increase the stroke. Then select the type drop down menu and choose wavy. You can see here the line is curved. Otherwise you can make the line curved, select the pen tool and draw a curved line using this pen tool. Select the move tool. You can increase the width of the curved line. Now we can see we make the curved line very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.